Hello there, my name is Adam and we are creating some Project Zomboid mods with the use of AI, which obviously makes it a lot easier if you don't know Lua, which is the the programming language that is used for Project Zomboid and a variety of other games. But being a dad, I don't have time for that. But I still want to tinker. So in the other videos in this series, we've created, to start with, a sausage roll, classic British snack. We've created a t-shirt, a Project Zomboid t-shirt, and we've also created a trait. So traits are those things that you can select when you're creating your character, give you certain bonuses. But actually, I want to take it a step further and create a new occupation. So I'm just having a look through the occupations that we've got. A lot of interesting occupations we've got here, but let's try doing be a care worker. Let's load Codex up. There we go. As you can see, I've already had a go with like a strength trainer. Let's pop this folder in here and pop our prompt in. Okay, so pretty standard. Okay, I've spelled that wrong, but never mind. Putting the build in so it knows what folder structure to aim for, telling it what it needs to do, new mod, like a new occupation. The occupation is called care worker. Let's build it out and let's assign some suitable traits and let's see what it comes up with. Well, look at that. So let's see. Oh, it's nice. Cost of 0, so you don't need any negative traits. Let's give us Night Owl. It's using the nurse icon. Okay. Then we've got Doctor 2, Cooking 1, Lightfoot 1, Fitness 1. Okay, brilliant. Let's see if that works. And we are in. Let's go into our mods. There it is. Care worker, profession. No icon. We can fix that. Let's just turn it on and see if it works first. So once this is reloaded, we're creating a character and it should give us the option to go select care worker. There it is. Use the same symbol as the nurse. Here's the nurse one. Here's the care worker. Here we go. So we've got a bit of strength, a bit of fitness. Then we've got light-footed, first aid, cooking, and 0 points to spend. How does that compare to the nurse? Bit more first aid. Bit more first aid, but we do get 1 on cooking as well. Okay. Let's just see. So, aha. That has caused us an error. So, that's interesting. interesting. Let's come right back out of there. Oh, so I'm just going to say, obviously I chose the occupation, and it's through an error. Okay, it seems to have found the crash and made the change. Let's try again. Yeah, so I mean, I talk about throwing an error because that's essentially how you how you kind of phrase it. Might sound a bit weird, because when you're doing some program in quite a lot of programming languages, you'll have this idea of trying a line of code, and some actually have that idea of a try, and then you have a block of code, and then you'll have a catch for catching any errors in case something goes wrong, and you want to handle what goes wrong. And because we're talking about catching an error, it's throwing. The error's being thrown and it's being caught. Let's have a look at the care worker again. So you can click on that. Oh yeah, I didn't notice what the night owl. Let's go next. That's good. Looks like it's picked up some nursey outfits as well. So let's see how it looks in the game. And hopefully that's it. And we are in. So let's pop over to our skills. Here we go. First aid at 2, light footed at 1, we've got our strength, we've got a decent amount of fitness as well. And our cooking's up at 1 as well. And we've got the XP boosts. So you've got 20-75% on there. Fitness 125, light footed 75, strength, first aid. There we go. And that didn't take long at all. Yeah, I mean, you'll notice a few other things. Obviously, I've got debug mode on because I've got the console here. And up here, I've actually got another little mod that I've created just to essentially show me, how I'm getting on. So yeah, before I start actually playing the game then, yeah, here we go. You can see, yes, we've got medical things on, as you'd imagine, it being a care worker, and that's it. Cool. And then, of course, we'll pop it into the folder. Let's have a look at Bill Fort. Here we go, Fortitude Media, Lua. I thought there was something in here. Scripts. Text bar. Notepad. And here we go. Not much to it really. It's probably more a case of just knowing the specific things that you're setting, the name of things that you're setting. Character, profession. Okay, it's using nurse as a base. Cost, name, description. Obviously, again, traits we saw. We added night owl trait. We also saw, the XP boosts that we got in our skills. It's actually fairly straightforward there, and as long as you know kind of like the folder structure and some of these things in here, you could quite easily knock a few more of these out, I guess. But let's leave it there. That was a fairly straightforward one. Yeah, and I'll have a think about what we'll come up with in the next video in the series.